and there is no filter, darling. It's just me. Oh my gosh. Can we talk about it? Can we have a 2.5? Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much. And welcome back, besties. Today, you guys, I'm sharing with you a bit of a gift guide. I've got some stocking stuffers. You know, that time of year is here. It's coming up. It's fastly approaching. And I'm going to make your gift shopping that much easier this year. I have some recommendations, fragrances, a little bit of makeup, and beauty. So if you want to see what they are, please continue to watch. On this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous. So if that sounds like your vibe or your zhuzh, take 2.5 seconds. First and foremost, stop what you're doing. Drop me your scent of the day because I love to know what fragrance you're rocking. Also, if you truly want to become a bestie, hit the subscribe button, come over on Instagram and say hello. Without further ado, we're jumping into this video right now. I want to say a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is Mercier. Thank you so much, Mercier, for sponsoring today's video. I have some amazing gift stocking stuffers to share with you. All of these stocking stuffers that I am sharing with you, this portion can be shopped and picked up and found in the description box. I am wearing a full face of Mercier today. This whole makeup look came together so easy. Why don't I stop talking about it? Let me show you how I did it. Okay, besties, now that we are totally up close and personal, I started this look off with using the Mercier foundation. This is the one that I did go in with. I love this. It's weightless. It actually feels like I'm wearing no foundation at all, and the color match was absolutely amazing. All of the makeup products that I will be using in today's video will be Mercier, and I will have everything linked down in the description box for you below should you want to check anything out or pick anything up. But this right here is good. And you guys look, but you see that I do look like a little shiny, so we are going to try some Mercier products and see what they do. I have an exciting one that I'm excited to share with you and try. I also have some gifts from their Atelier Enchanted collection, and you can shop these all over on Mercier's website. I'm also going to be trying to get this shine to go away and to see if we can blur my pores. Now, I will be using their translucent loose setting powder, and I chose the shade Honey. Now, there's a lot of claims with this Mercier translucent setting powder. Now, I'm a translucent girl. I've been using Mercier forever. This is nothing new to me, but I've never used this one that's supposed to be talc free. It also blurs texture, fine lines, and imperfections. It's up to 16-hour wear, ultra finely milled, and it's a weightless finish. So it's not supposed to be cakey or just sit on top of your face. It's actually supposed to blur your pores, get rid of the fine lines. And you know, I take a lot of pictures because you know I love a good photo, darling, especially a selfie. It's no flashback, and I'm hoping to see what it does with the pores. So like I said, I have already gone in with the foundation, and I'm just going to take a little bit that was left over on my brush and put it on, and we're going to go ahead and put this translucent setting powder to the test. I have it here. Like I said, I am using the shade Honey. All of these products were sent over to me by Mercier. So what I did was I took a little bit, poured it inside of our cap here, and then what I'm going to do is take the velour puff. This is going to come inside of your gift. So you are going to get the translucent setting powder in the shade of your choice, which there are 3. It's going to come in this cute little gift box like this here. This is great to go under the tree for the makeup or beauty lover in your life. It's a great stocking stuffer. I am going to pour a little bit on my velour puff, and I am just going to sandwich it together, tap off the excess. So I'm going to rub it here like this, rubbing off the excess, and we're going to do a press and roll. Oh my gosh, I really see that. Wait, hold up. I'm just gonna do one side of my face so we can see that. Do you guys see this? This is the side that I've done, and this is the side that I haven't. I do see a difference, and I just want to do this side even up to the forehead. So that's it. Oh my gosh, I know you see the skin is blurred. You could definitely see on this side. I'm pointing, this is the side with it. Come even closer, even more up close and personal, and this is the side without it. You see the shine? Oh my gosh. I'm looking over here, you guys, because this is where the mirror is, and I'm like, what? And this is the side with it. I know you see the difference. All right, let's go ahead and do the whole face. So you see how I did that? It was very easy. Sandwich it together, get rid of the excess, and go ahead and press and roll, press and roll, press and roll. Wow. I'm looking at my mirror because I'm like, it's like flawless. You know what I mean? It's almost as if I have a filter on. And there is no filter, dwelling. It's just me. But it almost looks as if I have a filter on. It's blurred my pores. It definitely gave like a blur effect. So if you don't know what powder to pick up this holiday season for yourself or for a friend or family member, hello, Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, the blur effect. This is the one that you want to get. I mean, they're all good, but you just seen it. The proof is definitely in the pudding. I can tell a difference and I love this. And another thing that I'm noticing is that it doesn't leave my face very tight. You know what I mean? It's not tight, it's not dry. It actually feels a little bit more hydrating. That's what I even noticed by rubbing it on the back of my hands. And another good pro about this, it's infused with hyaluronic acid as well. So that's another good bonus. So let's get into these Caviar eyeshadow sticks. Now these are supposed to be really easy. I know a lot of times people are like, I don't like doing eyeshadow because it's really hard. I don't know how to do all the tricks and all the different things like that. These can be applied with your hands. They can also be applied with a brush. I'm gonna do a little bit of both so that you can see how they work out. I have 3 shades here. I'm gonna swatch all 3 of these so that you can see them. This right here would be burnished bronze, and this one here is gilded. That's the limited edition. So this next one on the more pinky mauve side is Strike a Rose, and that looks like that there. So those are all the shades there. These are the limited edition eyeshadow trios, the Caviar sticks from Laura Mercier. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna go in and we are going to go in with, I wanna go in with gilded because I just feel that that's really pretty. And so what I'm gonna do is just take it across the very top. And you wanna work quickly with these because once they're on, they're not budging. They're not going anywhere. They're not smudging. They're not creasing. They're doing it. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. So you wanna work quickly with them. So if you see, I just took that right from the crayon and put it on. Like I said, you can go in with your hands. You can tap it in there and do it like that. And you see how it glided on. If you are going to work with a brush, I recommend more of a stiffer brush so that it can go in and it can move. And like I said, you want to go in quickly so that it does not stay, because these are going to stay in place all day. They're not going to crease. They're not going to smudge. This is suitable for sensitive skin. This is suitable if you wear contact lenses. So then I'm going to go in and just warm it up just a tad bit with burnished bronze, right? Am I doing that right? Yeah. I want to see just a little bit. Now we just want to take this in the corner because I don't want to do a lot. I'm going to just smudge it up here just like that. And look how much product you get. You do get a lot of product here. If you can see that there, I don't want to go all the way up, but if you can see that there, you do get a lot of product. You get a nice size amount. And then what I'm going to do is go in with Strike a Rose and just put that on the top here, just like this. Just a little bit. I don't want a whole lot. I don't want a heavy look. This is gonna be more on the natural side, if that's even possible. And that's it. Do you see how easy that was? And I used 3 different eyeshadows. It didn't take long. It gave me a little bit of a deeper corner here, and that's it. Everything is still going up this way. That's what I like to try and do. So let's see if I can mirror it and do that same look on this side. Again, going in with the limited edition, gilded. I just want that on the lid there so you can see that there. Like I said, use a brush or use your finger. Then I'm gonna go in with the deeper shade, which is burnished bronze again, and we're just gonna take that right up there, just a little bit, just a tad bit, and we're gonna bring it on. I almost tried to do it as if I was gonna do a wing, but I just wanted it to be a little darker here. Very simple. You see I'm doing this in 2.5 seconds. Hello, dwelling. And then we're just gonna go up here with Strike a Rose and just give me this very simple as well. And that is so pretty. Do you see that? Simple, easy, quick, no hassle, no fuss. There's no tugging on the eyes with these eyeshadows. They're very easy to use. They're very creamy. They're very rich. They're very luxurious, darling. Hello, this is Laura Mercier that we are talking about. And so yes, I find these quite easy to use. This will also make a great stocking stuffer if you wanted to pick this up for someone as well. You can also build these up or down. You could put a little bit more. You can make it deeper, darker. You can have your way with them. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put a little bit more just so you could see it in that corner there. But yeah, you can build these up. You could put a little bit or you could put a lot. It's totally up to you and your liking, and that is why I do like them. This is just easy. It's just easy. If I were to describe it, the best way to describe it is that it is easy. These are the crayon dual, and these are like the lip bullets, I call them. They're like a crayon dual, and they have 2 different colors in here. We have Ella, which is like a nudie kind of mauve pink, and then we have a deeper one, which is our limited edition, and this is called Lucy. Now, Lucy is something that I will wear after 5. I would wear that like, you know, on a date night. I would probably wear Ella up more, you know, in the daytime. But look at Lucy, you guys. This is Lucy. And you see how it just glided on? It just glided on just like butter. Very easy, very rich, very creamy. They're nourishing, they're hydrating. They don't pull at your lips, they don't tug. Another thing that I really like is that I would line the lip with it too, because it does have that sharp part up there. Oh, but do you see how that just glides on? That's what I want to show you. And then we have another shade, and this one is called Ella. This is more of a mauve pink. Now this is what I wear like every day. It just goes with my skin. You can't even really see it, it just blends in. You see that? That is the second shade, and that one is called Ella. These are really pretty. You see how they just glided on, very easy, very simple to use, not a lot of hassle, not a lot of fuss. I am going to go pop on the eyeliner, pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. And we're back. Lashes are on, you guys. I put a little bit of Battle mascara on. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar Extravaganza. Am I making that up? Extravagant mascara. This is really good too. Like I said, all of the Laura Mercier products, I will have them linked in the description box for you below. This one is absolutely fabulous. Okay, so you guys, this is the after makeup look. I put a little bit of setting spray on so that, hello. This is how easy it was. Let me share with you guys my fragrance combo and some vanilla fragrances that you will not be able to get enough of. You guys, I'm very excited. Okay, I've been playing in vanilla fragrances. I told you I'm obsessed. I'm loving and living for vanilla at the time. You guys didn't tell me about this. Let's start off with a little bit of body care. A little bit of beauty, a little bit of body care. How come you guys didn't tell me about this? This is the EOS, and this is the 24-hour body lotion. In case you're living under a rock like I was and you hadn't heard of it or known anything about it, and to my friends over on TikTok was trying to put me on, and they were like, girl, you have to check this out. This is a vanilla cashmere. It's so good. Let me just say it. It's so good. I really do love it. It smells absolutely amazing. You can gift this to anybody. And you guys, it does not disappoint, and it matches so well with all of the vanilla fragrances that I am getting ready to share with you. So yes, this is really good. I would highly recommend this if you do not have it, if you want something that's not gonna break the bank. However, now for me, I will use that, but I'm gonna mix it with this because this is my Fenty. This is my Butter Drop. This is a Shimmer Whip Body Oil Cream, and this one smells like vanilla warm sugar cookies in a sense. But this, the reason why I love this, you guys, is because this is going to give you that nice shimmer effect, and it's gold, and I love that. I love when my creams and body lotions and everything like that goes the extra mile and they leave me a little bit shiny. Like, I like this. I like for the skin to finish like that. At your own will, shop them. Both of these will pair and go amazing with any vanilla fragrance. That's my whole reason for sharing it with you. Laura Mercier does have, hello, a vanilla fragrance. Actually, I'm gonna link this too. This is going to be linked on the website. It's a part of their holiday gift set, so you can check it out over there. They have vanilla, they have, I think, another one. Don't quote me on that. It'll be linked in the description box below. Now, you know I've been telling you about, hello, Bake from Acco, and this is so good. This is like a lemon, zesty, creamy, but not milky creamy from the icing of the lemon on the pound cake. That's what this is giving. I've been sleeping in this like crazy. I've been reaching for it ever since I got it. This through and through is absolutely amazing. I got a lot of different price points here, so just hold on, because I believe I try to get something for everybody. So this right here I would highly recommend for the vanilla lover in your life or for yourself. I could not leave this out. I don't think this is just a summer scent or a spring scent. For me, it's year-round. This is the new one by Cheraye, Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar 42. Remember, this was all the rage when it came out. Everybody was talking about it. It's absolutely amazing. It's candied pear, it's sweet violet, bubblegum, caramel, rock sugar, and vanilla cream. I cannot get enough of this fragrance. And paired on top of that, amazing. Yeah, so like I said, for yourself or for someone else, this would be a great gift for the vanilla lover in your life. And I think this is, I don't like to say things are blind buy worthy, but in my opinion, if they love vanilla, this might be a safe blind buy. I move on. Another one that I've been talking about since I picked it up, and you guys, what in the world? It's almost gone. It's almost gone. This is Vanilla Crush, and this is by Gleam Perfume. You can pick this up on Store at Vanguard. I do have a discount code. I'll have it linked where in the description box below. This is Pear Blossom again, Vanilla Iris. It also has Sponge Sugar, White Musk, It's beautiful. Some have compared it to Bianco Latte. Some have compared it to Hufflepuff by House of Siage. So if you have any of those, it is in that family. But this is good. I find it long lasting. It's very cozy. It's very sexy. I've worn it on top of fragrances with cherry fragrances. And this right here is rich. It's creamy. I was riding in an Uber one time and he kept going like, what are you wearing? Like, what is that? He's like, it smells like cake. What are you wearing? And I'm like, hello, it's Vanilla Crush by Gleam. So this right here is good. I move on. Another one that you know I wasn't going to leave off the list because I said a beautiful vanilla fragrance. This is a year-round fragrance in my opinion too. It has vanilla, it has the lavender, it's fresh, it's rich, it's easy to wear, it's versatile. This can go office, this can go date night, this can go meeting the parents, PTA. It's signature scent worthy. You cannot go wrong with Burberry Goddess. It's absolutely amazing. And you guys, the dent, hello, the dent is denting. I move on. And then I did receive one from Ellis Brooklyn. This one is vanilla milk. Oh my gosh. Can we talk about it? Can we have a 2.5? This might be the first time I've introduced it on the channel. This right here is good. Let me paint the picture. It's creamy, it's milky, it has depth, it has two types of vanilla. It's frangipani jasmine, it's got peony, it's got Madagascar vanilla, it's got cocoa pods in it, benzoin, sandalwood, and musk. I wore this the other day just in the house. I hadn't worn it out. And you want to know what it smells like? Do you want to know what it smells like? It kind of smells like this. They kind of go hand in hand along with the next one that I'm going to share with you. This is the scent combo. If you are looking for that one and done, something sensual, sexy, vanilla, and you just want to smell good, not juvenile, very decadent, I might add, addictive, rich, creamy. Oh my gosh. You want to pair these two together. Like this is what you want to pair together. Also, I want to say this. Fleur. This one, vanilla skin. You see it here. I haven't been able to put it down since I picked it up. It's a sugar crystal, cashmere and woods, vanilla. It's gourmand-ish. This is really good. It's another one that I can't get enough of. You guys, these are some of my favorite vanillas that I'm reaching for and I'm playing with at the moment. And oh my gosh, you cannot go wrong with any fragrance on this list for the vanilla lover in your life, or if you are a vanilla lover yourself. If you need a one and done, something easy, I would say you can draw from anything in this list. If you are needing makeup products, if you have a beauty lover in your life, all of the products that I have shared with you today from Laura Mercier will be linked down in the description box for you below. So go ahead and check those out. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my video. I truly appreciate you. I mean, I smell like a heavenly snack. Okay, this whole room smells like a heavenly snack. All right, besties, I will see you all in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.